Jogo manie sekta malimbe koni okang' ma piny owacho sidho wuodh gach reru kokete sende SGR ma Miritini nyaka chuny boma medo kwan welo matimo limbe chuny boma ma Mombasa. Kane giloso Mombasa nyasi mar moko taya kaka ranyisi ma chakruok ma nyasi ma Disemba gikoni okang' ma piny owacho chiwo thuolo ne ndeke mawuok e pinje ma oko piyo achiel kachiel e alap ma ndeke ma Moi Mombasa bende omedo kwan welo. Ne gichiwo ranyisi mar kambi ndeke mar Rwanda Airways mane ochako ayanga wuodhgi mar piyo achiel kachiel e alap ma Mombasa, Moi Mombasa, magi giwacho ni medo limbe. Ka migawo malimbe Mombasa koni nyaka sani kaunti ma Mombasa osedo kwan welo mar milion 1.2 magin welo mowuok e pacho ka medo ni domestic tourist.
Ambayo rais alifungua kwa juzi inaleta watu wengi sana ndani ya mji wa Mombasa. Na ukishaingia kwa mji wa Mombasa kuna mambo mengi ya culture, ya experiences, kuna the street food, kuna mama ngina. There's so much that you can experience within the city of Mombasa. So we are selling cultural tourism and we are selling the history of Mombasa and of course the people of Mombasa na ukarimu wao wote.
We have also surrounded ourselves with the reputation of having entertainment.
When we say Mombasa received 2.5 million international travelers and only 8% were able to come directly, that tells you something, that our Mombasa International Airport was underutilized. Now getting direct flight, meaning we're getting more visitors, not only to Kenya, but to Mombasa directly. And when we talk about entry to Mombasa, means entry to Jumuiya counties. It's not about only destination, it's about the new experience. What is it that we are doing? As a department, we are saying that we are now moving from the old town. People coming here to look at the Fort Jesus beach, we're no longer doing that one. We want to see new experiences. What are we doing about the sports tourism? What are we doing about the culture tourism?